Niranjan, currently working as a data analyst at Silan Software Private Limited, Bhubaneswar. So whoever is watching this video, I hope is in fine tune with the environment and considering to recent pandemic situations. So let's start our topic. So today's topic is Boxplots. So what is Boxplot? As the name suggests, it consists of a box along with whiskers. Which are whiskers? These are whiskers. And it consists of, depends on the data set, it also consists of some outliers. So consider the statistical terms. What are the terms associated with box? This is a term, this is the point, this is a term, this is a term, this is also a point, this is a point, and this is a point. So what is this point called? This point is minimum. What is this point called? This point is maximum. So if this is minimum and this is maximum, so what are these points? This point and this point. So remember this, if there are no outliers, this is also called a minimum point and this is also called a maximum point. And this point is called Q1, this is Q2 and this is Q3. Now what is Q1, Q2 and Q3? Q1 equals to 25 percentile. It means 25 percentile out of 100%, the data spread is in Q1. Similarly, Q2 50%. Or this is also called the median value. And Q3 is 75%. So I don't want to take much of your time. So let's dive into the Jupyter Notebook to redefine our thoughts. So I have already imported our necessary libraries. The next step is to import our dataset. Now how will you import the dataset? I will call a variable df equals to dt, which is an alias of pandas. It contains a function called read_csv, and the file name is weight height.csv. I need to run the file. Good. So looking out to the first 5 rows, these are all the first 5 rows of the dataset. Now remember, gender is a categorical column, height is a numerical column, weight is a numerical column. Now height and weight are also called your continuous values. So I am going to mostly concentrate with height column. So how I will describe some statistical information related to that. Now df height dot describe. These are some statistical informations. So what is count representing here? The count represents the number of rows. So what is the number of rows? 10,000 rows. This is the mean value. This is the standard deviation. This is the minimum value, 25 percentile. So from minimum to maximum, I will show this in the box plot, which I have explained you in the paint in the image. So I will display the box plot. Now I will use the C1 library. SMS dot boxplot df height. I will run the command. So this is the boxplot. So remember, these are called outliers. This is the minimum value. This is the maximum value. This is the 25 percentile 63. This is the point where 25 percentile rise of the data set. 50th percentile, which is also called the median, is 66. This is the 66 point. And 75 percentile 69. This is the 69 point. Now let us look into the another concept which is called IQR. Now what is IQR? Again, drawing the box plot. This represents IQR, and its full form is inter quartile range. So how I will find the IQR from here? So IQR is defined by Q3 minus Q1. So looking at our data set, so what is IQR? So IQR is this data and the diff minus this data. So IQR is 5.668. So how you will find the minimum and maximum if there are no outliers? So if there are no outliers, this is called the maximum point. This is called the minimum point. So minimum is, as the empirical formula suggests us, Q1 minus of 1.5 into IQR. What is maximum point? Q3 plus 1.5 into IQR. So I hope you have understood up to this. In the next class, I will suggest some how to replace the outliers. We have detected the outliers in this by a graphical, but I will detect the outliers using a Python code. See you in the next video. Thank you.